Hi, I'm Shalev Amar with your Lemon Law Advocates. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is why you should never, ever get a repair at a non-authorized dealer warranty repair shop when your vehicle is still covered under warranty. Before we get into that, a little bit about my background. Been handling lemon law cases since all the way back in 2004. Thousands of cases at this point, including myself and my previous law firms and my current law firm. And so over the years, we've learned some things, and that's what these videos are about, to help you out, to help you avoid pitfalls when it comes to lemon law claims. So let's get into it. So look, it's understandable. You might be going to get your vehicle repaired over and over again at the authorized dealership repair shop where you bought the vehicle. They're not fixing it, you still have the problem. Oftentimes you think, well, okay, I have a buddy who's a mechanic, or there's this really good repair shop that was recommended to me, but that is what's called an independent repair shop. Independent means it's not authorized under warranty by the manufacturer. And here's the issue with that. There's several problems with that. First and foremost, you'll be having to pay out of pocket for those repairs. You shouldn't be having to do that when your vehicle's under warranty. Part of a new vehicle price includes having the manufacturer's warranty, so it's not fair to you if you're having to pay for repairs that should be covered by warranty. And secondly, and just as importantly, if you get your vehicle repaired by a non-authorized repair shop, that could lead to your warranty being voided. Not just that, it's also a defense to a potential lemon law or breach of warranty claim if you're getting repairs at a non-authorized repair shop. So for that reason, don't ever do that. As long as your vehicle is under warranty, keep taking it to the manufacturer's authorized repairing dealer. Something to keep in mind about that though, you don't have to go to the selling dealer or the same dealer where you've been getting repairs, as long as the repair shop is authorized. So what that means is, by way of example, let's say you have a Ford. As long as it's a Ford authorized dealer and warranty repair place, you can go to any Ford dealer anywhere in the country. So if you're not having success with the place where you're getting the vehicle repaired, or you'd like a fresh set of eyes on the problem, you can go to another repair shop. Again, it has to be an authorized manufacturer's repair shop. That's the main thing. So if you have any other questions about lemon law or warranty matters, please contact us. Our website for more information is ArizonaLemonLawAdvocates.com, or you can call us at 480-237-2744. And remember, if your car's not up to par, call Amar.